Assalamu alaikum. Hello my dear students. How are you all? Here is Seema Kausar. I am second standard teacher. My subject is EVS. Today I am teaching you lesson number 1. So now we are going to learn about body movements. Our body helps us to make many movements. Let us learn about the body parts which help us in our movements. हमारा जिस्म हमें बहुत सी मूवमेंट्स करने में हमारी मदद करता है। तो आइए जिस्म के उन पार्ट्स के बारे में जानते हैं जो हमारी बॉडी को मूवमेंट्स करने में हमारी मदद करते हैं। वी हैव मैनी बॉडी पार्ट्स ऑफ आवर बॉडी। कैन यू नेम द पार्ट्स ऑफ द बॉडी? ओके, आई टेल यू। थंब, finger, wrist, elbow, leg, foot, eyes, mouth, neck, arm, hand, knee and ankle. These are our body parts. So my dear students, listen carefully. Our eyes help us to read and see things around us. Our mouth helps us to talk and to chew our food. Mouth की spelling है M-O-U-T-H, mouth. Chew, T-H-E-W. chew our food, यानी कि खाने को चबाना. Our neck help us to turn our head. We are able to work with hands as our fingers and thumb can bend. Thumb, T-H-U-M-B, thumb. Can bend, bend, B-E-N-D, bend. Bend का मतलब है मोड़ना. Our arms bend at the elbows and at the wrist. We are able to move freely because our legs bend at the knees and at the ankles. The toes of our feet can also bend. We walk, jump, run, dance and do a number of actions and movements with our body. Walking, jumping, running, dance and skating. So I will be showing some pictures. So now we know about the parts of the body. Eyes. Our eyes help us to read and see things around us. We have two eyes. They help us to see the world. We can see with our eyes and also read with our eyes. Mouth, M-O-U-T-H, mouth. Our mouth helps us to talk and to chew our food. हमारा माउथ हमें बात करने में और खाना चबाने में, खाना खाने में हमारी हेल्प करता है. We have one mouth. It includes a tongue, teeth and lips. It helps us to eat food and speak. We can talk and eat food with the help of mouth. Neck, N-E-C-K, neck. Our neck helps us to turn our head. The neck joins the head to the rest of the body. It helps us to turn our head from one side to other. We can move our head with the help of our neck. We can turn our neck left to right and right to left and also up and down. You can do that. Hands and fingers. We are able to work with our hands as our fingers and thumb can bend. Bend का मतलब मोड़ना है. हम अपने हाथ से काम करने के काबिल हैं क्योंकि हम उंगलियां और अंगूठे को मोड़ सकते हैं. So, tell me, my dear students, how many fingers are in our hands? Okay, dear students, I tell you, there are 5 fingers are in our hands. We have 2 hands and 10 fingers and 10 fingers, 5 on each hand, and our fingers bend too. That's why we are able to work with our hands. We can write our hands. We can pick up things with the help of fingers and thumb. Arms. Our arms bend at the elbows and at the wrist. We have 2 arms. They have elbows, hands and fingers. They help us to lift things, pull or push them. I can pull with my hands. My arms help me do all work. We can throw balls and things with my arms because our arms bend at the elbows. We are able to move freely because our legs bend at the knees and at the ankles. हम freely move कर सकते हैं क्योंकि knees और ankle मुड़ सकते हैं. The toes of our feet can also bend. Our legs bend at the knees and ankles. Toes of the feet can bend too. That's why we are able to move freely. We walk, jump, run, dance and do a number of actions and movements with our body. We can do lots of actions and movements with our body, such as we can dance, jump, running with the help of our legs. So each part of our body helps us to do various movements and actions. Each part has some work to do. So today we have learned about body movements. Thank you.